Never run out of chemistry again with Sonny's Smart Stock delivery program. If you're a cost-per-car customer, this new approach to stocking your chemistry ensures you always have exactly what you need when you need it. No more ordering cost-per-car products, tracking your own inventory, or running dry. You run a busy car wash. You're managing employees, customers, and a million different things. Let us handle your chemistry so you can focus on everything else. Here's how it works. We work together to set your max level for each product. That way, we can ensure you always have everything you need. Our dedicated drivers load up a fully stocked truck and visit your site weekly or bi-weekly based on your needs. When we arrive at your wash, we'll carefully check your current inventory and identify any products that fall below your maximum level. We'll fully restock any items back to your max level to ensure you never run out of the essential chemistry you need to wash cars. We'll immediately send you proof of delivery so you always know what's on your shelves. Nothing else changes about your invoice or billing process to keep things consistent for you. And you're all set! Fully stocked with enough premium car wash chemistry to get you through even the busiest weeks. And a week or two later, we'll be back to do it all over again. Smart Stock by Sonny's Chemistry. Just one more way we make car washing easy. Contact us today to make your wash smarter.